For each of the following number, find the smallest whole number which should be multiplied as a get perfect square number, and also find the square root of the square number. The first number is 252. Okay, first you find a smallest whole number. They are not perfect square but not is perfect. So you write the prime factor method by the factor of 252. First will be divide 5, 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 4 and 2 6 is 12. Again 2, 2 6 is 12 and 2 3 is 6. Okay, next is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3, again 3, 3 7 is 21 and 7 1 is 7, and the finish the factor method. Okay, now write the factor of 252 is 2 multiply 3 multiply and 7. Okay, make a pair. Their pair is not complete. Okay, so you write the as, okay, as the prime factor 7. Prime factor 7 has no pair. Okay, as the prime factor 7 is has no pair, it means 252 is not a perfect square. Okay, and this number is called the smallest whole number is 3. Okay, and asked question is also find the square. Okay, so do that if 3 is smallest number, okay, then is equal to the number is 252 multiply 3. Okay, then the smallest number to which the should be multiplied, then the smallest number is here is a 7. Sorry, here is a 7 because 7 is not a pair. So write the multiply. 7 2 is 14. Okay, and 7 5 is 35. 8 35 and 1 is 36. Okay, and 7 3 2 is 14, and 14 or 3 carry is 17. So new number is 1764, and again you factor of which number is the given number is 1764, and again you find the prime factor of 1764. First time to get a 2 is 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16 and 2 2 is 4, then 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 4 4 8 and 1 9, it means 3 will be divided, 3 1 is 3 and 14, 3 4 is 12 and 2 here, 2 7 is 21, again 3 4 is 20, 12, 3 4 is 12 and 12 2 9 17, again 2 is 7 is 7 will be divided in 7 1 is 7. So they write the root of 1764. Root of 1764 is the root of 2 multiply 3 multiply 7 multiply and 7. This is the prime factor of 1764, and make a pair. To first is 2 pair, second is 3, and the pair will be complete. The pair will be not complete, it means the number is not perfect square, and pair is complete means it is a perfect square. you write 2 multiply 3 multiply 7, and then after the multiply 7 3 is a 21, 21 2 is a 42. So your answer is smallest number 7 and square root is 42. The second question is number is 180. Number is 180. Okay, that number is 180. Same method, first you find the prime factor of 180. So first will be write the number is 180 divided by 2. 2 9s are 18, again 2 4s are 8, and 2 5s are 10, then 2, the 5 is not going divided by 2, the 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, okay, again 3, and 3 5s are 15, the 5 1s are 5. Now write the factor of 180 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, okay, and make a pair. Make a pair is the 5 is not a make a pair, okay. So write the as the prime factor, as the prime factor 5 has no pair, okay, and its mean 180 is not a perfect square, okay. Our smallest number is 5, okay. So first you multiply 180 into 5, because here write the smallest whole number, which is this should be multiply, then the smallest number is 5 and you multiply by the 180 is equal to 900, okay. Again you find the new number is 900, and find the factor of 900, because they are write the also find the square root of square number. Then 900, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0, again 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, again will be 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, and 3 5s are 15 is 5 5s are 25, and 5 is the 1, okay. And write the factor of 900. Factor of 900 means root of 900 is equal to root of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5, and make a pair 2 3 and 5. Here is the full, each number will be pair, it means 900 is a perfect square. Then we write 2 into 3 into and 5. So 5 3 is a 15, and 15 2 is a 30. So 30 is a square root. The answer is, you write the answer is smallest number is 5 and square root is equal to 30, okay. And next same method you have solved. Next question is, in this question is 3 4 5 and 6. The 4 question is a, you try, if any doubt, if any not solve the question, you have asked to me, and start the next question, question number 6 is question number 6. For each of the following number which are the smallest whole number by the which is the should it are divided. Before question is a multiply and this question is a divided, so at get the perfect square number, also find the square root of the number. The method are same, only you change a sign of multiplier, you change the sign of division. The first question is asked 252 is the first. Okay, the first is 252 is first you find the prime factor of 252. So that is the prime factor of 252 is 252 is 2 2 1 is 2 2 2 is 4 and 2 6 is 12. Okay, then 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, then 3 2 is 6 and 3 1 is 3, again 3 3 7 is 21 and 7 1 is 7. Okay, then write the prime factor of 252 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 7. Okay, and make a pair is 2 and 3 and 7 is not a make a pair. So you write the as the prime factor as the prime factor 7. Okay, has not pair, it's mean 252 is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square, and you change the its number is perfect square. So there is called the division. Is equal to that smallest number is smallest number is 7. Okay, now according to question, a division means a number is 252 divided by 7. 2527 divided by 7. It is rough work is 2 divided by 7 is 252 divided by 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 7 3 is say 21 is 4 and 6 time is 42. The number is asked to come is 36. Okay, number is 36. A new number is 36. Okay, again you find the factor of 36 is 36 is 2 2 1 is 2 2 8 is 16, again 2 is 2 9 is 18, 3 3 is 9 and 3 1 is 3. So that factor of its mean root of 36 is equal to root of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and pair is 2 into 3 is a 6. The smallest number is, which number is smallest? 7, and its square root is 6. Okay, so next number is 2800. Okay, a same method will be previous question. First you find the prime factor. First you find the prime factor of 2800. First will be divided 2 1400. Second is 2 700. Again 2 350. Again 2 is 175. Then 2. Okay, 2, no, this is a 3, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15 and 2 3 5 is 15 and 2 25. So this is not divided by 3 because the 5 7 is 12 and 13 will be not divided by the, so you have changed the next number is 5 3 is a 15 and 5 3 is a 15 and 2 25, 3 5 is a 15, again will be 5 and 7 and 7 1 is a 7. Okay, so there prime factor of 2800 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 2 and 2 times of 5 and 1 7. Okay, then pair, make a pair, and 7 is not make a pair. It's mean as the prime factor 7 is not pair. It's mean that 2800 is not a perfect square. Okay, then 7 is the smallest number is 7. Okay, and according to question is a number in division, so that is a 2800 divided by 7. Okay, that is the 400. Okay, now we new number is 400 and find the factor is 400 is 2 2 is a 4, then 200 again 2 is 50, again 2 is 25 and 5, then 5 is 1. Okay, then the factor of root 400 is equal to root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 times and multiply 5 into 5, the 2 and 2. Okay, the 2 into 5, 2 2 is a 4, 4 5 is a 20. It's mean the answer is smallest number is 7 and square root is 20. Okay, and question number, similarly to solve the question number 3 4 5 6, all question will be solved, and if any question you have not solved, you ask to me, and next class I will solve the question. Okay.